doubt about how will be the medical records. See, every day, the day-to-day duty, what the medical coder will do. ఒక మెడికల్ కోడరు రోజు చేసే యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏంటి అంటే, సో యూ విల్ బి రిసీవింగ్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ patient records ma. On the top of the patient record you will be having patient name, MRN number, what is the department they came for, and the account number. Nothing but we can say here in the India that was similar to the token number. And then you will be having the reference dates and the age as well as gender, and you will be having from where, means where they are going to visit. Nothing but whether they are going to see in which hospital. So that information will be there, and the hospital registration IDs and the date of visit as well as the time of visit. So this we will be calling it as the demographic details. After that, you will be having the HPI information ma. HPI in the sense because of what reason they have visited to the hospital. I can say what made you to come to the hospital. Nothing but, for example, let us think my case, ma. Yesterday I am suffering with chest pain. Okay. Today I visited to the hospital related to chest pain. Means here chest pain is the HPI, right? That is your HPI illness, history of present illness. When you look into here the chief complaint, if you see here, you will be having the swelling in the right neck. And next to this, see this we will be calling it as reason for visit ma. Means what is the reason that made you to come to the hospital. So that is your reason for visit. That is your chief complaint. And next to that, you will be having some 2 to 3 sentences in the HPI ma. What does it mean? It will explain you when the complaint has started, when the complaint has started, and when it has been improving, and what are the measures you have done at the home, as well as where is the location of your pain. Such informations will be there in the HPI. When you look at here, this was started about 3 days ago. Means since from 3 days he is suffering with right neck pain ma. And if you see here, still it was present for him. Means though he has completed his 3 days of tenure, but still this neck pain is not at all resolved. And if you see here, they are stating it is not at all improving, means not at all decreased. And here you can see it is described as painful, and it has been located in the neck, that too in the submandibular region ma. Means below the mandible, means below the lower jaw, and no cause has been identified. ఈ నెక్ పెయిన్ రావడానికి గల కారణాలు ఏంటి అనేది కూడా మనకేం తెలియదు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా. సో దోస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ విల్ బి explaining in the HPI. And moving on to the review of systems ma. See in the review of systems, you can see here, this is nothing but here they will be assessing each and every anatomical system of our body part. If you look into here, not only the general appearance, they will say about the relevant complaint. Here they have stated neck region, right? First they will assess the musculoskeletal system, or else they will assess the neck region. And not only the relevant complaint, they will assess the rest over the body systems if they are having any other complaints or not. Here the physician may not be present with the patient ma. Here the patient will be asking a series of questions, and the nurse or any paramedical staff, they will take the data related to the review of systems. Means it is not any physical presence by the doctor. So see here, the patient had sore throat, cough, and enlarged lymph nodes, and no fever, chills, no difficulty in breathing. All systems otherwise negative, means they have assessed the entire body systems. So it states that they have reviewed all the systems. After this review of systems ma, they will document related to your past medical conditions or any allergies or any social history. These type of documentation will be there. Apart from that, in some of the medical records, you will be having the patient prior surgeries, nothing but the surgical history, as well as you will be having the data relevant to your family history also. Why? Because those also will impact your current management or current treatment, right? So such all will be present in your past history. See here they have stated for past history, see the nurses notes. See, this is the physician notes, right? Next to the physician notes, you will be having nurses notes will be attached, ma. So you need to see the history in the nursing notes. So if physician itself is stating to see the nursing notes, then in such case you can review the nursing notes and you can capture the past medical history conditions which are chronic and ongoing. See, if I say past medical history conditions, in the sense, what do we call the past medical history conditions? Those are nothing but any chronic conditions, ma, like any hypertension, any thyroid, or any diabetes. Those all will come into your past history conditions. Then medications. Medications in the sense, these we will be calling it as the past medications, ma, like any long-term medications. See here they have stated none. And allergies also, there is no known allergies, means nothing but till now there is no allergic history for the patient, ma. Then social history, if you see here they are documenting related to the smoking status, alcoholic status. Yeah, any doubts, team? Any doubts, ma? Yes, we are looking into one of the medical record team. That's it. Any doubts, team? Okay. So when you look into here, ma, here in the social history, they will be documenting the smoking status or any alcoholic or any drug use related or any marital status or whether he is like divorced or working employment or any social support or living status. Those all will be documented under your social history. So here if you look at this scenario, the patient is a smoker, ma, as well as he is alcoholic use. Then in additional notes, here they have stated the nursing notes has been reviewed. That's it. Moving on to the physical examination. See, physical exam in the sense it is nothing but the physician will be present in this case of examination now. Okay, the physician will be present in order to take this examination. So you'll be having each and every anatomical system wise. That's it. And you'll be having the any x-rays or anything if they have reviewed or any investigation that will be there, and next to it the progress notes and procedures, the disposition status, and the clinical impression. So this is about your one of the medical record. So like this a set of medical records will be there, ma. See, this is I have taken a summary record, ma, that's why I'm having only single page. But when you are doing your live, you will be having at least 10 pages or 15 pages or more than 15 pages